Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you all fine? I hope that you all are fine. So in the previous class, we have studied find the missing numbers and we have studied that how to find the missing number in the addition. So in this class we will study or we will revise how to find the missing numbers in subtraction. So my dear children, let us start. So first you have to write it right here, revision and the date. So here you have to write revision of chapter 3rd. As I have told you that we have to do the revision of find the missing number. So question number first for today is find the missing numbers. But in this we have to find the missing numbers in subtraction. So here question number first is 5568. Now this is the missing number here. Okay, and as this is subtraction, so here we have to write the sign of subtraction, and the answer is 2324. So my dear children, as you can see that this is the given number. From this number, the missing number, we have to find that which number is subtracted. So you can see that when we do the subtraction, first we write the greater number. So this is the greater number here, and this is the smaller number here. Alright? For doing the subtraction, first we write the greater number. So this number is the greater number. Then we write the smaller number. So the number which is missing here must be the smaller number. And now the answer after subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction. So the answer which we get after subtraction is known as difference. So it is known as difference. Now to get the smaller number, what we have to do? Let us see. First we have to write the place, that is 1 times 100,000. So here again we have to write the place. Then we have to write the greater number. So which is the greater number? 5568. Now to get the smaller number, we have to subtract the difference from the greater number. So here what we have to write? Again minus, then 2324. So this was the greater number which we have written here. You can see the greater number was 5568. So first we have to write the greater number. Then we have to write the difference. And then we have to do the subtraction. So the difference was 2324. So here we have written the difference. So you can see that this is the greater number here. Alright? And this is the difference here. Now, which number we will get here? The missing number. And which is the missing number? The smaller number is the missing number. So to get the missing number, we have to do the subtraction of greater number and difference. So now 8, starting from the right side, 8 minus 4 is, see students, this is 8 here, and we have to subtract 4. Now see how many fingers are left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write here 4. Now this is 6 and this is 6 minus 2. So here you can see that this is 6, 4, 5, 6. And from this 6 we have to subtract 2. So we have to subtract this 2. So again you can see how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we have to write 4 here. Now 5 minus 3. So these are 5 fingers. We have to subtract 3 fingers. Now how many fingers are left? You can see only 2 fingers are left. So here we have to write 2. Then 5 minus 2. So this is 5. And if we subtract these 2, how many fingers will left? 3. So here we will write 3. So this number is the smaller number. This number is the smaller number. So here we get the smaller number as the answer. So which number? So you can write 3244. 44. Now you can see 8 minus 4 is 4. If you want to check, then you can check also. You can see 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. See, this is 6. If we subtract 4, how many fingers are left? 2. So 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. We have seen here 5 minus 2, 3, right? And 5 minus 3 is 2. So in this way, we have got that to find the smaller number, this is the place of smaller number, right? And this smaller number was missing here. So to find the smaller number, we have to subtract the difference from the greater number. So I think now this should be clear to you. In the same way, moving to the next question. Here this was the question number A. Question number B is 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now here this is the place of greater number, because in subtraction first we write the greater number. As I have told you that first we write the greater number. So here which number is missing? Greater number is missing. So which number should come here? Greater number. Now we will see the number is 2301. So which number is given here? This is the smaller number. Alright. And after subtraction, the number which is given is known as difference. The number which is given is known as difference. So we have to write difference. So my dear children, you have seen that here we have to find the smaller number, but here we have to find the greater number. So to find the greater number, we have to add the smaller number and the difference. Is it clear? To find the greater number, we have to add the smaller number and the difference. So here, before adding, first we have to write the place. Then we have to add the smaller number and the difference. So first we will write the smaller number. So you can see that I have written the smaller number 2301. Now this is the difference. Alright. So here we will write 3227. And as I have told you that here we have to do the addition. So this is the sign of addition. So now children, we have to do the addition of smaller numbers. This was the smaller number. And the difference. As you can see here, 3227 was difference, right? So we have to add these two numbers. So we have to add, you can see the sign of plus, add these two numbers. So we will find the greater number. So let us start the addition. 1 plus 7 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. As I have told you that when we subtract or add 0 in any number, then we get the same number as the answer. Now 3 plus 2 is, see, this is 3, this is 2. So 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers are there in total? 5. Now 2 plus 3, again 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, the answer will be 5. So here the answer which we have got is 5528. So now we can check that whether this is the correct answer or not. Can we do the subtraction to check the answer? Yes, this is the sign of subtraction, so we can do the subtraction. Now let us see. 8 minus 1 is 7 here. 2 minus 0 is 2 here. 5 minus 3 is 2 here. And 5 minus 2 is 3 here. So in this way, we have got the greater number by adding smaller number and the difference. So in this way, we came to know that to find the smaller number, we have to find the difference of greater number and difference. And in the same way, to find the greater number, we have to do the addition of smaller numbers and the difference. So my dear children, I think that these questions are now clear to you. Now children, I will give you 2 questions based on these previous questions which we have solved. So now this is question number C. Okay. So here first we have to write the place. 2435. So this is the greater number here. Alright. Then you have to find the smaller missing number. This is the missing number here. And this missing number is the smaller number. And the difference is 1114. So this is the smaller number which you have to find. And then this is the difference. So my dear children, you have to solve this question, and in this question you have to find the smaller number. And as I have told you in the recent question or in the previous question, that to find the smaller number, what we have to do? We have to subtract the difference from the greater number. In the same way, question number D is, first we have to write the place. Then here question number D is, this is the missing number here. So this must be the greater number. Alright. Then there is the smaller number. Then there is the difference. So here first we have to write the smaller number and then we will write difference. So what is the difference in both these questions? In question number C, we have to find the smaller number, and in question number D, we have to find the greater number. To find the smaller number, we have to subtract this number from this number. Means first we have to write the greater number, then minus, then difference. Then we will get the smaller number. And in the question number D, to find the greater number, we have to add the smaller number and the difference. So, students, keep it in mind that to find the greater number, we have to add. Means we have to plus these numbers. And in this question, you have to subtract. First, you have to write the greater number, then minus, then difference. So, I hope that now you can solve these questions. So, today we have completed the exercise of find the missing numbers. Now, we'll move to the next question. Question number second is, solve the following. So here, question number first is 4513 plus 2167 plus 1259. So you can see here that till now we have solved or we have added only two numbers. But in this question there are three numbers. Now how to do or how to add? So my dear children, first we will add these two numbers. Alright, first we will add first and second number. So you can you say how many up to how many places this number is? 1 times 100,000. So up to which place we have to write? 1,000, 100 times 1, or 1 times 100,000. Alright, now we will write the number. So 4513, then 2167. So what we have done? We have write the first number and the second number, and you can see the sign of addition is here. So we have to put the sign of addition. Now we will add these numbers. So for doing the addition, we have to start from the right side. So you can see here, this is 3 and this is 7. So 3 plus 7. My dear children, you can see this is 7. 5 fingers, then 6, then 7. After 7, 3 is there. So 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers are there in all? You can see that there are 10 fingers. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And in this 10, we have to write the 0 here, and we have to give 1 as carry, because in 10 the number which is at the left side, we have to give it carry, or the number which is at the very right side, this number only we have to write here, and rest of the numbers we have to give carry. So first we will write 0 here, then we will give this number as carry. So here you can see that 1 plus 1 is 2. Alright, and 2 plus 6. So you can see 2. Alright. Now these are 5 fingers. One more finger we will give. So now these fingers are 6 fingers. And this is 2 here. So after 2, 6, 7. Sorry. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this is 1 plus 1, 2. After 2, we have to count up to 6 fingers. So these are the 2 fingers. After 2, this is 3. Alright. including this fingers, these are 6 fingers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Now 5 plus 1. So these are 5. Now adding 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So here we will write 6. Now 4 plus 2. 4 and 2. So 4, 5, 6. So how many fingers are there in all? 6. So in this way, we have added these two numbers. Now, this number is left. So now what we will do? We will add this number in the addition of these two numbers. So, the addition of these two numbers was 6,680. So again we will write the place. Alright, first, 1 times 100,000. So we have written 1 times 100,000. Now we will write 6,680. Then 1,259. Alright, only this number was left now. So here we have to write this number. And the addition of these two numbers was, addition was 6,680. So here we have to write the addition. Now as we are doing the addition, so we have to make the sign of plus here. So now 0 plus 9 will be 9. 8 plus 5. So this is, my dear children, we have these blocks in our fingers. Okay, these partitions. So we can use these partitions of our fingers for the counting. So here first this is 8 written. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is up to 8. Now this is 5. So after 8 we have to count up to 5. This is 8. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Now we have to count all these up to here. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright. So 8 plus 5 is 13. And in this 13 we have to write this number below. And this number as carry. Alright. So here 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. Now 6 plus 1 is again 7. So the answer is 7,939. So in this kind of question where you will get 3 numbers. So first we have to solve first 2 numbers with the sign which is given. Then after getting the answer we have to solve this third number with the sign which here it is given. Now in the same way we will do the next question. So here the next question is 1,523 plus 4,523 minus 2,351. So as I have told you that when we see 3 numbers, alright, there are also 3 numbers. So when we see 3 numbers, first we have to solve the 2 numbers. So here you can see these 2 numbers. What we have to do with these 2 numbers? We have to do the addition. So first we will write 1,000, 100 times 1. Then we have to write the first number. So first number is 1,523. Then the next number is 4,523. So 4,523. 23. And this is the sign of addition. So here we have to make the sign of addition. Now my dear children, 3 plus 3 is 6 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. As you can see, 3 and 3. So after 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 6 here. Now 2 plus 2. So tell me 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. 2, 3, 4. So here we will write 4. Now 5 plus 5. So my dear children, you can see there are 5 fingers. And in this hand also there are 5 fingers. So after 5, we have to count these 5. These are already 5 fingers. So after 5 we will count. So after 5, which number comes? 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, which number we got? 10. But in 10, there are 2 numbers. So which number we will write? The number which is at the ones place. See, ones, tens. So the number which is at the ones place, we have to write down. And the number which is at tens place, we have to give it carry. Alright? So here we have written 0 at down and 1 at the carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the addition of these two numbers. Now this number is left. So again what we have to do? We have to write the places up to which place we have to write? See, ones, tens, 100,000. So we have to write ones, tens, 100,000. Now you have to write which number is at ones place? 6. Which number is at tens place? 4. Which number is at 100 place? 0. Which number is at 1000 place? 6. So we have to write 6046. Now this is minus 2351. Which sign is here? Minus. You can see this is the sign of minus. So here we have to put the sign of minus. Now which number is there? 2351. Which number is here? 2351. So here we have write 2351. Now what we have to do, as this is the sign of subtraction, so we have to do the subtraction here. See, 6 minus 1. So you can see these are 6 fingers, 5 fingers, and this one is 6th finger. So here from these 6 fingers, if we subtract this 1 finger, then how many fingers will left? Only 5 fingers. So here we will write 6 minus 1 will be 5. Now you can see that this is 4 and here it is 5. So is 4 minus 5 possible? See, these are the 4 fingers. Now can we subtract 5? These are the only 4 fingers. We cannot subtract 5. So here what we have to do? We have to take carry. So if we will take carry, then it will become 14. But see, this is 0 here. Can 0 give carry? No, because this is already 0 and 0 means no value, no number. Alright. So as this is 0 here, this 0 will take carry from 6. So when 6 will give carry, this 0 will become 10 and this 6 will become 5. And now this 10 can give carry to 4. So when this 10, we have to cut 0 and then we have to write 10 here. Alright. Then when this 10 will give carry to 4, then 4 will become 14 and this 10 will become 9. So here now 14 minus 5 we have to do. So when we subtract 5 from 14, what we will get? We will get 9. So here we have to write 9. Now 9 minus 3. This is 9 here. So 9 minus 3 will become 6. and 5 minus 2 will become 3. So the answer is 3695. So this is the final answer here. So my dear children, these are the questions in which we will get 3 numbers to solve. Alright? So here I am giving you one more question. So here question number C is 2532 plus 3795 minus 1725. So this question you have to do, as this question is same as question number B. Alright. Now question number D I will give you 4573 plus 1972 plus 2423. So these two questions are here. I am giving you these questions to do as homework. So my dear children, here I am leaving this class. In the next class we will do some more questions like this. So till the next class, do these questions, practice more questions, and do this revision in the rough notebook. So bye bye children, take care.